Bonjour, mes amis. Comment allez-vous? Sorry, I don't hope you didn't mind that I'm speaking in French. I'm actually catching up on my French and other lessons, such as Spanish, through a wonderful language app called Duolingo. And today I'm going to be showing you why you should be using Duolingo. So, I did a Toastmaster speech on Duolingo for learning languages, and it was an example of another video on why you should join this club for the anyway. Duolingo is a mobile app that you can download off your phone for free with a paid family subscription as well as in-store purchases, so to speak. And with it, you can learn a wide variety of number of languages through such as French, Spanish, Italian, Russian, you name it. Just about every list of languages under the sun. Of course, you can also watch other language-speaking shows like Alia Speaks in Russian, but I'm not, which I'm actually watching on my Crunchyroll, but that's beside the point. So, what does the app look like? So, if you can see my phone, and if you can see a little green owl, that's the Duolingo app. And you can actually see a little widget right here saying time to practice, which can serve as your daily reminder. So why should you use Duolingo in the first place? Because every single day you practice with this app learning a new language, even if it's just like, say, 5 or even 2 minutes, the language that you can, the progress you can develop can actually be quite beneficial. Even if you're like, there's nothing, even if you have like a slow day on the job, like sometimes I do, for instance, you can actually speak a little bit of your desired language, such as Spanish, for instance, and you can see where it goes from here. As for my progress so far, I'm already on my 177th streak, believe it or not. Pretty impressive. So I'm just going to be starting a lesson as an example. Open up the app. So this is my progress so far, and I'm going to be showing you as an example. I'm already on section 2, unit 1 for my Spanish introduction, so my Spanish level is level 10. So right now I'm at Ask How People Are. Let's open up the app. De nada means how are you, or the message went too fast for me. So here's my language 1. So the character is asking what is your name in Spanish. So type in your name. There's a number of wide variety of exercises, such as translating the sentence from what language into what it had, such as, for example, what's your name? That ding means that you got it right. So there's 2 options that you can choose from.
La niña está mal. Está.
Esta means
Está.
is Spanish for is.
Mal.
Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
Oh, so I got it wrong with that one. From typing in languages to even speaking out the language that is being translated into whatever language you desire, Duolingo can offer a wide variety of services to learn a new language. And like I said, every day you practice this on your phone, smart tablet, or whatever you have this installed on you can see the astronomical benefits and the progress that you can make, even if it's just like, again, 5 to even 2 minutes a day. Every little bit of it helps. Jose is ocupado is Spanish for busy. again, I never paid much attention in Spanish class, to be honest. So, and so, and for whatever reason that you want to learn a new language, say like, for example, I'm planning on traveling to France later this year, and I would like to practice accents and brush up on my Spanish, French lessons, and maybe even speak some Italian along the way, because you never know when it will come in handy. There's a lot of people who speak Spanish in my workplace and one of my departments, and I thought learning Spanish can actually be quite beneficial. Like, for example, manzanas is Spanish for apples, and it's I was able to speak it the other day perfectly. Granted, I work in a grocery store.
Ocupado. ¿Cómo se llama usted? ¿Cómo? Usted. Llama. ¿Cómo?
Como
Se
se
llama.
llama
Usted.
usted is Spanish for what is your name? I used an extra word there, but
Señor, ¿cómo se llama usted?
so with a language exercise like this, you can either have the characters speak fast or slow, depending on your learning style. I like to have him speak slow,
¿Cómo, señor?
just
¿Cómo se llama usted?
Señorita, ¿cómo se llama usted?
here's a language exercise that you can actually speak into the microphone and try and speak in the sentence yourself. Let me just say it again.
Señorita, ¿cómo se llama usted?
Señorita, ¿cómo llama usted? Just like that.
Julia, ¿estás ocupada? Estás.
La señora está ocupada.
Personally, I think this is one of the best ways you can learn a new language. Have the sentence written out the way it is right here. I don't know if you can see it, and then tap to speak, the button right on your screen, like so. La señora está ocupada. Like that.
Estoy muy feliz. Estoy muy feliz.
Feliz. Oh,
Lo siento.
use an extra word there.
Estoy muy ocupada.
Lo siento, estoy muy ocupada. So, when you start a new language, start a lesson, you get like 5 hearts. Every time you make a mistake, you lose a heart. There's multiple ways you can regain your heart, such as using gems, which is the app's currency, or watching videos for ads and like earning a new heart, or even sometimes practicing to even earn hearts. I don't know if it still has it anymore, but
No.
here's another exercise you can try on the app. If you can see it, match the words.
Medicina.
Medicina. Ocupado is busy. Happy is feliz. You'll think the Christmas song Feliz Navidad. Estudiar.
Estudiar. Maestro.
Ella está muy feliz. Ella está muy feliz.
And at the end of the exercise, if you like missed a couple of sentences or practices, you get a chance to try them again.
¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo se llama usted? ¿Cómo?
Estoy muy feliz.
And once the lesson's done, you get this little trumpeted sound. That's trumpet sound, a fanfare that saying the lesson is complete. And at the end of the lessons, there's ads like this, for example, Pokemon Pocket. Personally, I have found this very beneficial myself when learning a new language. I've seen a lot of progress with my Spanish, as well as catching up on my French, and as another language, I would even love to learn more Japanese as a little side note. Stand corrected. I'm actually on my 180th streak. I knew I was getting close to 200, but yeah. Just goes to show you how much I'm dedicated to learning a new language. And if anybody's watching this video, I hope you get this motivation to get productive, to even try a new language yourself. So yeah, ever since I downloaded this app, I've been finding it very helpful for me to catch up on my French, learning Spanish, and so forth. And if anybody's having trouble learning a new language, I would suggest using Duolingo as well. I think you'll find it very helpful. I know it's been helping me so far. So anyway, that's my 2 cents on why you should be using Duolingo. Like I said, you'll see a great development the more you practice every single day, even if it's just like a couple minutes a day. You'll see the benefits of learning a new language. After all, when it comes to languages, the world is your oyster. So, hope you found this video helpful on why you should use Duolingo, and I will see you all for another video. Have a nice day, everybody.
Hey Mega fans, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and share this video. It would help me out a lot. Also follow me on my social media, such as my Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch channel for my live streams, and more. And if possible, leave a tip to support me on Ko-fi and Patreon. Thanks for watching again, and until then, MLJ signing off. Until next time, MegaLink fans.